Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrc, and we are back today, and we're going to do an unboxing today of the off-road truck, the Judge four-wheel drive. It's from GP Toys Just Play. It's model S920. Not only do we have one, we got two. So my buddy Dave here, we're going to be opening up these trucks here. I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys, and then tomorrow, Dave, we're taking them out to the mud pit and giving them a test. What do you think?
I'm game.
What are you waiting for? Let's get these trucks out. Pull this thing out of here. Looks like we're wired tied fast or plastic tied fast on the bottom. We'll cut those.
Let's see you get that with your fingernail.
Yeah, that ain't happening, right?
There it is.
Looks like the shock caps and adjusters are metal. Doesn't feel like any oil inside the shocks, Dave. What do you think? Just feels like it springs, right?
Yeah. The tires are glued to the rims. That's a good thing.
Got a plastic body. So let's take the body off, see what's underneath. What I really like about this is everything's covered up.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be taking this through the mud tomorrow, and doesn't look like the mud's gonna really even get to anything.
Got some vent holes here. I'm assuming that's gonna be for the motor.
I guess we'll test, see if we can get it wet too, right?
Yeah.
Looks like the whole frame and everything's all one unit. Let's get these batteries charged up. See what they run like, Dave. What do you think?
That diff might be aluminum. Yeah, let's check them out.
Getting my batteries in my controller. Turn the button on the transmitter first. Hit the button, my wheels went straight.
If the blue light's flashing, it hasn't linked up with the controller.
Yeah, we did find that out, didn't we?
We did.
Okay.
Yep.
There we go, we got our body on. You got yours on, right?
She's ready.
Wow, and in this grass, they're pretty quick.
Little wheelie with traction.
Oh, nice.
No problem.
I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed by it. Look at that wheelie, Dave. Go down there, see if you can wheelie up. Hop alongside mine down there. We're getting ready for tomorrow's drags. You ready?
Yep.
Go. Nice. All right, two little wheelie bossers. Wow, even in the high grass.
That's impressive.
Even in the high grass, things starting to break in a little bit better now.
Right?
These things are cool. All right, Dave, don't break it, but
I'm gonna do my best to not break it.
because we are mud bogging tomorrow. Oh, nice. Oh, I missed it. Gotta be able to see to do this stuff.
Oh, did you see that one?
Oh. Ah. Did you get it? Good.
Yeah. Another nice little shot. There you go.
Nice, there we go. Oh,
Jumped it into a wheelie.
there we go. I didn't go fast though. Here we go. Oh, my battery's done. Look at that. I'm drifting a rubber tire truck. A small rubber tire truck. That's pretty cool. Wow, these things are quick. I'll tell you what. We had them in the grass, and I'm really impressed by how it went in the grass.
It's fun right there. She's got some speed to it. Stops very quickly.
Yep.
It's a fun little truck, Mark, for sure.
All right, now let's do our high-low test. So we're in high gear right now. Let's shift her in the low. See what you feel.
Low it is.
Yeah, low is maybe, I'll tell you what, low is probably a training mode, I would say.
I would think so for like a kid.
Yeah.
Like that.
So if you have a young
Still
kid.
pretty quick and low though.
Yeah.
Like that was getting it. It should still easily go through the grass and whatnot in low mode, I would think.
I would say slow speed and high speed. It's not a low gear because it's not yanking the wheels off the ground. Right. You go back to high speed and you're ripping that thing in the air again. All right, I'm going back to high speed.
Me too.
Let's bring it down here. Let's have a drag race down there.
Drivers ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Smoked ya. Uh-oh, did we just find the jump? Maybe. Nice. Oh,
Speed to it, too.
did a flip. Oh, you did a flip.
Tell you what, it takes EDs pretty well.
It does.
Really unharmed, and I thrashed that thing.
Okay, we're good for today, I think, Dave. So we're ready to take these things out, put them through the mud now, Dave.
Yeah.
How do you think it's going to handle in the mud?
Well, I know how I'm going to handle because you're going down.
All right, well, I think I'm putting you down tomorrow. We're going to race these two, see what we got.
It's going to be driver against driver, same truck.
That's what's up next. Here we go. Yeah. Dave, it's time. Time to see who's going to win.
Oh, you're going down.
We're taking two of these judges here racing against each other in our mud pit. Check out this mud pit. This thing is all set, ready to go for the big mud bog today. You got yours ready to go?
We're ready. Hey, don't touch my car.
Okay.
You're cheating already.
Or how it's not supposed to be done. We'll see.
Go.
Come on. Oh, oh. Oh, no. Oh.
What was the call?
Looks like Dave all the way.
They both shut off at the same time.
They did. All right, we're going to do a rematch. Here we go. Come on, baby, go. Woo! Oh, come on, go. Oh, no way. All right, Dave. Good job. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys, I want to thank you for watching my video today. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also join the Facebook group. That's the Ovalrc. Dave, we'll see you next time, right?
See you guys.
See ya.